Remember, same thing, make me unfollow Shenseea, you know. Remember, Shenseea, I'm a virgin, me and her cool, me and her good from before she bust. I'm a unfollow her too.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Wagwan, bless up first and foremost. Hold on there with the latest updates on Mix Up and Mix Downs at JA. So subscribe if for your first time over your sub. And yeah man, we are gonna talk about where the description of the video says, so tune in. Foota Hype, Unfollow Macka Diamond, and make sure you know that are the same reason why him unfollow Shenseea. You see me? The man know the almost thing. Viewers and subscribers, and respectfully him stand him grounds. You see me? And in other situation, I kinda understand where the dog say, if I never for Macka, him would like he pick.
And this is just my belief, right? And you don't have to agree with me, and nobody on the Instagram now have to agree with me, because you know I'm not really business with comment and where people want to comment, because we are a leader. We, like Macka, Foota, the artists them, and we are lead. They say any day we get up and make the comments and the followers them navigate where we do, then we are no longer the leaders. Zin, watch this now, mama. I don't like homosexual lifestyle. Me against the homosexual behavior. Me follow people where me rate and check for. And everybody me follow. Zin, you are one of the people that me follow for ever since. Now, me can't blame you for what happened. I have to blame myself. But here when you have to partially take blame, if me never follow Macka, me would end up in a situation. Because remember, me no know that spread your page. Me no know where the spread.
What they are acting and say, when they post the same person, you call him and tell him and show drive my attention.
Yeah, but me
so
never.
You want to say no?
But watch out. People call me and tell me, say the boy were acting, post about him, and me see it. Me not follow them, the people there. So Macka, more you keep your head by your body when you look on them situation there. Because listen what I say.
So because you comment, so because your person like for my one, and nobody like acting one, that's why you never unfollow him.
No, remember, say me never see acting. She not listen what me I say. You know, you not listen what me I say. Yeah, make a reference to something that makes sense. Because acting they get caught up like how me caught up and post it and I know. When me call him and tell him delete it. That's not the case with you. You know who. And you post them. And you remember, say you have straight man for your life like me. When I like people.
Put me have people when I straight on me go over your page and me see them I like your stuff. I mean,
Macka, you still not listen up more than I say.
You still not listen like the world set away now, put away we can't emotional.
But you now get what me I say, me now work with the world and the hungry reason why. Well, I know.
So you're saying,
you know,
the album deal, I'm a company live with him right now. Yeah, say, you unfollow me.
But watching, you know, listen what me I say. Me no know that boy there. Me no know him page. The only reason why we have a conversation now is because Macka Diamond post something when me think is a female. Macka, wait now, listen first before you just ready for answer, man. Understand my point of view.
Listen something wrong. And you not DM me first.
No, man, listen to Macka, man. You know, say you not listen. That's why I can't take the feedback.
But
Macka, me not have to message you, listen this.
Exactly, I'm not going to listen either because if you
all right, you know, listen to me, I say, you are going to go on the something and say, but other people post and Ray and party man like this and like that. I want you to understand where I am coming from. We're not quarreling, we're not having an argument. Because me is not enemy. You know what they say? Me not black you, and you not black me. Me just unfollow. That means if Macka want to post 100 Batman or 100 drag queen, me nah go see it. And you me a black out, you know.
Put post Batman. Put me post the one in them dancehall queen went there all the time. But post
no, you didn't see me like that. Well, you didn't see me like that.
I try to tell you, but you could have unfollow me because I already post somebody.
You don't worry about the unfollow now. Listen, the reason why I unfollow. This one tricked me because it was like the boy when he dance thing where we know say about him.
Well, I trick you. I unfollow me. And that's what I said.
You wanna watch this G Skull. The one where she post with the boy we say my dancer King Chrissy. Me not go like that. Because when me see about the boy. Me there about my business I do what me I do. I see Macka post a female. Remember she post her friend birthday and everything. Me never know what they post about, you know. Me just know say, can me rate Macka post one of her friend them, me just lie. I know me there, me see people say, Foota, oh you feel like that? So me I try show Macka say, fear post infect me and incriminate me by me liking that. I have to understand that, Macka. If you don't understand that, then me you can't reason. Because of your post, me don't know this boy or him page. Me not follow them people there. So when you post that now, me just think, I want our friend them she post her, some woman I do something to her song or something. So me they even look good to see if I sprat or if I wheel or shark. Me no business about that. I Macka post something. So me innocently.
So you know who?
That's why me tell you say people DM me and me find out say a fish. And people are DM me 10 million people. Foota, how you feel like that?
Foota, how you sure say me didn't know say I shan't do me just go
I don't know. I don't know. But you come on earlier and say remember the boy page dead there, you know. Macka repost and make sure say page repost, you know. The name and page, you know. And after me, I even recognize that. Me don't know him page. So me couldn't know who know at all. So me innocently incriminate myself. And you incriminate me, no Macka.
I understand.
Me innocently incriminate my page. But the point of the matter is, I don't follow pages that remember same thing me follow unfollow Shenseea, you know. Remember Shenseea, I'm a virgin, me and her cool, me and her good from before she bust. I'm an unfollower too.
Me never know overcall it. Because remember say, me not a think person where artist we call on and pressure and say, when you not play my song on and this and that, it's a different friendship I deal with.
No, but Macka, you see my reputation, your reputation different from mine. People know say Foota not deal with Batty man and deal with them something.
And WhatsApp me too. WhatsApp me and say Macka, but they WhatsApp me and cuss me out.
You know you're not listening to me. I say. I know me not cuss me.
But still don't make people have to tell me I'm a best.
What do you mean? People are gonna tell you because people tell me said I sprat. So it's a public issue. But what I'm saying is, me never cuss you or this year. Macka, you know me. If me I cuss people and this them, I cuss them and this them. Me say me feel.
But your friend there,
you're not listen. Even in a slick white video, me have the real video on my page before I'm editing. You can go watch it. Me say me feel away. Me feel bad for no say me like a drag queen post because me innocently rate everything when Macka post. So am I ratings? Well,
you never know how catch up.
Am I ratings for Macka Diamond make me incriminate myself? You know?
Me sorry because me think say true me know say you do not like these people. Me not expect that something like that catch you. Me think you have on that.
No, but Macka here why catch people. Remember him not come out. Remember say the video is not him in him regular self. Him dressed like a girl, have on dress, put on wig, ladylike. So we just browse through, you know, people timeline. My timeline crazy. Remember Foota Hype at my timeline crazy. So me see Macka post a female. Alright, me never even click to hear the song. I know me just know say this probably I want challenge. Or something I just go to boom and click like. Go on about my business. Alright. You see if the people have never message me and I say, Ray, it would have still up there, you know? Come who do know, you know? I'll be a people in my DM and say, Foota, oh, you fit do that.
You're gonna WhatsApp me, you know, just say something like.
No, Macka, man. Macka, so only not feel like say, alright, may a reason for a big man level. Females within dancer, only not have no respect for the where we stand and where we raise pan. Like, not because they are promote a song. Anything nobody do to a video where the song are playing and you go post it?
No, Foota, look here. Me learn it just explain to the people a while ago. Say me go England and then place and people tell me say Macka is a gay club. I wanted to pass show, I wanted to perform. Me can't business is like there's no business like show
Macka,
business.
Man. Business have limits to man.
Me can't change people.
Let me
When time
what they What do you
Me
do
can't
clash with? You know do
in the
clash with?
with
You
them.
know do clash with Shitty Dan. And me call you and tell you. When me call him, I message you and say you should
Yeah,
have never do that. You're not
yeah,
to
you
give
do.
them people they
That's
not
why
know
I
after
never
your
message
career.
about one, yeah. That's why I'm surprised when you message me
But
about
watch
it.
you know, understand. You can't surprise because I never like a post with Shitty Dan. Me see you do something where me feel like it a degrade your career. Cause you know them people enough to get a chance after Macka man hard working career where you do from Lady Mackerel days. I can't give them people.
I may talk about it, right?
Yes. But this now is a different case because you have me now. I like a Batman post where me never know.
Me, I be able to do that.
Macka, you can move the see that they post. If
You're smart. You're supposed to have the detector, the Batman detector.
no, Macka. You know why? You know why me get not up? Because I'm Macka Diamond page. So you now understand the riff of the thing. Me who the see film post, coming have no way, shape or form to follow film post. I even go up an Explorer and see that. Me now look and everything me like over Explorer. But this is Macka Diamond's page. So if you have a challenge and I run a challenge and a girl a wine to your song, make a like that and move on. Come on to get the likes, them a foot up a like it too. Them see say star like Macka post. And not just any like a footer like Macka post. Cause if me a follow you, that mean me rate you. And if you have follow me, that mean you rate me. That's why me not put up no, listen, Macka, remember a whole heap of thing me could have posted. A whole heap of thing me not post. Me not post no incriminating nothing. You never see me post where a girl a suck a hood. You never see me post where a girl a kiss a girl. You never see me post where no shaking nothing. Because I know like me can't post it. But me not post it. Because me have control over where my audience and my people and where follow me I see. And me care about everybody where follow me. It's like oh Mr. Jamaican thing I gonna know G Skull. Every Jamaican artist is nervous and scared and caring of what the gay community have to say or how them are going to react. But them now remember so them have straight people and them following too. Who don't care how gay people feel. I don't care how straight people feel. So if today you should lose all of your straight followers and keep Uncle the gay one them, you think your numbers are that so high? No. So you have to think, say, yo, me have people who not like Batman, and me have people who like Batman for my page. So here me go do
everywhere me go now, me see Batman. If me go into the airport, me go on the
Batman is there everywhere. Macka,
is that
Macka,
them here?
Macka, Batman is there everywhere long time. And the fact that this is where Jamaican entertain and I understand. Seeing something everywhere doesn't mean it's a part of our thing. This is where me cut above the rest for every selector.
Is there our thing dancer now? Is there our thing dancer now? Like our thing?
What do you mean? Macka, at the end of the day, when Macka go England, go perform in a gay club, it's not Macka Diamond, a London artist. It's Macka Diamond, dancehall artist. So no matter where you go and where you go on, your true skeleton don't change. My skeleton don't change.
Canada to go perform in a gay club. Go place me go Canada to go perform in a gay club.
Macka, yeah, say what me not say. I'm saying even if you do, you don't go in there as Macka Diamond the rapper. You go in there as Macka Diamond, dancehall artist.
Right,
so when we go to these places, anywhere in the world, you now represent yourself. You represent dancehall. And this is just my cut above the rest from everybody. That's why I rate myself. Because me, if me talk about money, the amount of money me turn down. See a man of them say broke and hungry and I live nowhere and I have nothing. The amount of money me turn down.
Me hungry and I live nowhere I can't to people. So
the amount of money where me turn down for the standard of my culture, me rate myself over everybody else in our music. Because you cannot get me post them things and do them things because of the money and the likes. It's not a post. So say Foota now go be the biggest thing then. Like a Mataran or a Sky Juice or a Stone Up because me not endorse certain things. Me I go be a little selector. I'm going to be a little selector and dead a little selector. Because I'm not doing it. That's all me I say now. Me can't tell everybody if you do that. Because me are not God. So if Macka feel like she want to post some shaky people, I cannot stop Macka. That's Macka.
Exactly.
Macka. Me can stop me from seeing Macka posting that.
Exactly.
So me unfollow because me no want to infect my brain capacity. Because remember, say, if you not see something or hear it, it not affect you, See? But when me not follow that boy, But watch this now. Half of Macka people, them could have not follow him. But when Macka post him and repost him, with him page name, Macka introduce who don't know him to him now. So you are work for him. Him do it for your song because him know what him a do. Him know so when him do this for Macka song, Macka going to repost it. So him get free advertisement over a straight world. Him a bridge current, but because Macka promote our song, Macka now look on the point say him a bridge current to come in our arena where him not there. So him a use you for where you really urge for because you want this song you get promoted. So any promotion you work it, promotion are just promotion. But him a get a bigger thing out of it. That's why I'm running go live now. And him a cuss Foota and the whole of the batting man, them oh Foota this, Foota that. You give them the platform they know. Because
so me alone give them the platform there.
You know, Macka not understand me. Macka, me not like, me a talk about your post where me like. So me no want to hear about nobody else. And then I go say,
the rest of them was okay.
You know, listen to me now. I don't like no, me not like no other body. Something like that. Cause me, when they put up the next boy, email know him about him and you see. For you see the boy in the dancer, Chrissy, or what the fuck him name.
They put up other ones to put up.
Which other one? Me never. Nobody, but you not understand. You put up but me not like. That one that trick me. Me can't come public and tell you say that one a rascal trick me.
Okay.
So this me address. Now when me go to Bama and click like, the black of them go to Bama and screenshot. Before me even know say me even do something wrong. You see me say G-Skull? So when my followers them I say, youth, what you do? I say, what I talk about? Them I say, Macka post is a man. I say, which man? It's a woman. Them say, go back and look for the name. Because me never even picture say name dead and I know. Macka just post a woman. I do some challenge, something. I mean, like it. But what I'm saying, Macka, and it's just reality, I have to understand. When me go so now, and say me unfollow Macka, it's not because I'm disrespecting Macka.
Right.
I'm merely protecting my integrity.
Me just a try, you know.
No, there's nothing to try, Macka. Because if me and Macka is enemy.
Where you really I say, you just say you're the one where you because you hurt because you post it. And
because me like it. That's how it fuck me up. Remember, say if you post it and me not like it, me and you wouldn't have the conversation, yeah? You understand what I say?
Same like how you could have linked about Ray. You could have linked this.
Macka, here I can't link about that. Me like it already and it's all over social media. So it's a public thing now, it's not between me and Macka again. Slick white and me call him. And then here when hurt me now, Macka. This hurt me. What you say? You don't know who pay me for this? Macka. You know,
because the way you come out with it and just
come out now and this year.
No, I'm never say this man.
No, but somebody got pay me. Hold on about Macka, if you use a brain.
Yeah, me and Macka, you this and you understand me we talk
but you're with females. You're with females now. You're with females now. You know always a over thing and a blow things out of proportion. Because if me was a ignorant person now, me just say, oh Macka come talk about people pay me. But Mr.
You will understand. Me not have to go into details there.
Yeah, but you're supposed to know me by now. If you said that on a public platform, that means you are infiltrating my credibility.
But don't DM.
That means make it look like Foota is a youth where people can pay for the fuck to other people. Me never like that because you know me better than that. And no matter who you have nothing, Foota Hype has never ever denounce Macka or me not link with them. Me link with them straight. Me link with them more than some people where you and them have things and pay problems. So to you say that on a public platform, it's not good. You're supposed to, as a female, assess what you say. Because I saw people were cool with one another, end up turn against one another and turn enemy. Because me was a little yammed youth now. And here you say that. Me run up in my feelings and feel like this.
If you have up on WhatsApp, you come up on live and say, no, say, Macka tell me exactly what me say. And that is why she feel like, say, she said what she said.
No, that way that you want to see it. For yourself, pay. No, listen, for yourself, you don't know who pay me if you do this. And my integrity, yeah. Sure, so this is a man that can get buy out to these people. Yeah, sure, so Foota is a man that can get buy out to these people. And anybody know me.
I bet you when I explain it to you, you're going to laugh till a week.
Macka, me still going to ask you. You cannot say, you don't know who pay me to do that. I'm in a business about how it reached to that. You, as a person who know me, not supposed to insinuate, say somebody can pay me for this year. Because if I pay for this way I talk about, me damn full. What the artist have a man or woman and put up a picture of the man or woman and the man call me. The right man for the woman call me and say, pay me any money to go post it and go up on the page and talk the truth and show say I'm wife. Him send me pictures and everything. You know what I do? Take up my phone, me DM the artist. Me say, brother, look at these things the man has sent me. And the man has say, a bit time. If me didn't love money, me no DM the artist. Me take that food a long time and go hold a discussion and say, people come live, me have a story. I never do that. So me not like the facts that you say, you don't know who pay me for this. That sound like Foota is a man where no integrity and him just take money and these people. Come would I never do that. I would never do that. And even the other things them where you say, no bother me. You see that part of me integrity, I don't do that. And every money me take. If me take every money would have cool it batty man and lesbian and everybody. If I did money me propel by. Me not propel by money. Straight up. So me not like that. Because enough people can tell me run them and their money.
And if I certain things me love, me would have been in one different place now.
How that Jesus so,
me understand the word of them things. Me understand the word of them things.
No, sir. Well, I'm not one thing did that pass so distract everybody. No, that's it. No. But Macka, hear me, I say. On a big man level, you have somebody who me rate and respect and me not this year. And you would never get me for this year like that. I am just saying, I am protecting my brand. Because me against homosexual lifestyle, against homosexual behavior, I am not trying to fit in with the world that is cool with them. I don't want to be a part of their happiness. I am okay over here. I don't want no gay fans. I don't want no gay people like me, some of them. Me don't want to see them. Seeing them over for them world and me over my